Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss my good students, and because we are going to discuss grade 9 syllabus of, you have to see, after that, I will see if there are some questions of students about grade 9 syllabus, and we will try to answer in another video. See lecture 1, grade 9 syllabus guide, lecture 1 by Applied Linguistics Group. So, to understand the syllabus, you have to see. Uh, I'm going to share the screen with you. You can see it. Okay. So if you see here, this is the reviewed syllabus by Federal Board of Federal Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education, Islamabad, the SSC1 English. So this reviews. This is a short syllabus and reviewed syllabus. The first lesson in the syllabus is for grade 9 English is the savior of mankind. Okay. And the second lesson is patriotism. The third lesson is media and its impact. Fourth lesson is Hazrat Asma, radiallahu ta'ala anhu. Fifth lesson is daffodils. Sixth lesson is the Qaid's vision and Pakistan. Seventh lesson, Sultan Ahmad Masood. And eighth lesson, Sultan Ahmad Mosque. Eighth lesson is stopping the woods on a snowy evening poem. And 10th is drug addiction. 11th, noise in the environment. 12, 3 days to see. And then we are going to discuss exercises to be covered for your exam. The first lesson, the savior of mankind, reading comprehension, exercise B, grammar, adjective, conditional type 1, exercise A, B, C, and D, homework, vocabulary, and glossary, exercise A and B. So in the coming videos, we will give you short notes of these things, can make it easy for you. Patriotism, reading comprehension, exercise A, grammar, modal verbs, exercise A and B, punctuation, exercise C, homework, vocabulary, and glossary, exercise A, writing skills, exercise E. If you go third lesson, media and its impact, that's a third chapter, we can say a third lesson. The exercises are grammar, adjective, noun, that word, pronoun, exercise A to G, and vocabulary, exercise B. Fourth lesson, Hazrat Asma radiallahu ta'ala anhu, reading comprehension, exercise C, grammar, abstract noun, exercise B, and preposition of time, exercise E and F, punctuation, exercise G, homework, glossary. Number 5, daffodils, reading comprehension, exercise A, theme, central idea of the poem, figure of speech, simile, metaphor, okay, personification, and imagery. Exercise A, B, C, grammar, collective noun, exercise A and conjunction, exercise B, homework, paraphrasing of poem. If you go to number 6, this is chapter number 6, the Kai's vision and Pakistan, vocabulary and glossary, exercise A, B, C, D, reading comprehension, exercise A, grammar, adverb, infinitive, gerund, and conditional, exercise A to E. Sultan Ahmad Mosque, number 7, this lesson has vocabulary, exercise A, B, C, and D, B, reading comprehension A, and grammar, position of adverb, degree of comparisons, A to C, exercises. Use of since, far, exercise D, page 8, and 8, stopping by woods on a snowy evening, poem, grammar, adjective, phrases, adverb, phrases, exercise A to D, drug addiction, grammar, relative pronoun, adjective clauses, exercise A to C, A to D. And 11, noise in the environment, grammar, transition devices, adverb clauses, independent clauses, subordinate conjunctions, exercises B to G. And number 12 is 3 Days to See by Helen Keller. Very famous lesson, very easy lesson. We will make very easy for you the next lectures. So you will see our short notes and we will be just having some points and try to write by yourself. Vocabulary, exercise A to C, reading comprehension, exercise A, grammar, conditional type 2, kind of sentences, exercise A to C, identification, simple, compound, and complex sentences, exercise D and E, homework, writing skills, exercise A. This is the portion for your chapters. There are these 12 chapters, and grammar and composition included in grade 9 English. Uh, there is all parts of speech, types and subtypes, types of phrases, clauses, and sentences, identification only. Conditional sentences, verbals, gerund, participles, and infinitive. Active voice and passive voice, exercises page 169 to 170 from English grammar and composition 9 to 10. Okay, PTB. Punjab Textbook Board and Lahore also have the same syllabus. Edition March 2020 is the same. Tense translation exercises, number 4, translation exercises, present tense, page 74 to 87. Past tenses, pages 95 to 108. Future tenses, pages 117 to 131. And correction exercises, pages 164 to 168 from English grammar and composition, Punjab Textbook Board, Lahore. That is edition 1, March 2020 is the same. Because the syllabus almost are the same. They're not different in Punjab Board, the Textbook Board, Federal Board, and Sindh Board and Peshawar Board. They're the same. They're not different. Number 7, informal letters from English grammar and composition, 9, 10, PTB, Lahore. That's the same. Right. What are the letters you are given there? Write a letter to your brother about the importance of science subject. We will make a very short notes of these letters for you. Write a letter to your father asking him about the health of your mother. Write a letter to your friend condoling the death of his mother. Write a letter to your sister congratulating her on her success in the exam. Then 8th is punctuation exercises from English textbook grade 9. Okay, same as Punjab textbook, but Punjab Board, Lahore. Unit 2, page 19, exercise C, Unit 4, page 43, exercise G. And 9th is paragraph writing, a visit to museum, fashion, different type of paragraphs they are given here. These are only the examples. Unseen paragraphs can also come. How to give your clean, to your town clean. Okay, these are the industrial exhibition. English grammar and composition 9, 10. This is Punjab Textbook Board, Lahore, because the syllabus for Federal Board, Punjab Board here is the same. And dialogue writing a bit between teacher and student, between two students regarding salad, between a tailor and a customer, English grammar and composition 9 to 10. Punjab Textbook Board, the same syllabus for Federal Board, Punjab Board, and same is in same Textbook Board and Textbook Board. There is no much difference. So the notes also they have given here. You have to see now. Unit number 3, 8, 9, 10, 11 are excluded except the grammar questions mentioned above. You have to see these units are no more. Excluded mean they are cut from the syllabus. Okay. All review exercises 1, 2, and 3 in the English text are entirely excluded. So please note these all review exercises 1, 2, and 3 they are cut. Excluded mean they are out of the syllabus. The overall pattern and weightage of annual paper will remain the same. However, both objective will be from the reduced and selected content. So the things which I mentioned here, they are excluded. They are no more in the syllabus. These 2 points. So that's why your subject and objective part of the papers will be reduced. Okay, from the selected contents. Number 4, all grammar-based content is supposed to be taken from the prescribed recommended grammar book. This is the recommended grammar book, English Grammar and Composition, Punjab Textbook Board, Lahore, edition March 2020. Some students will think that this grammar is very difficult, so no, you need not to bother. We will make short notes for you of these things. You have to attend our next lectures to see how we do for your English SS1. Grade 9. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Good luck for your wait our next lectures on the lessons. First we will deliver on the lesson, then we'll go further. We will divide our lectures, first 12 lessons and short notes for you, then grammar and their short notes for you, and we'll make this grade 9 English very easy for you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.